What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be starting a new series called Trade Tip Tuesday. So this is going to be the first one in the series. It's a pretty quick video that I'm going to do here, but it's a nice tip that I think is really good to learn, and it's something I use pretty frequently. So basically what it's going to be is being able to find the center of anything that you're working on without having to do any math involved. So it's nice to use out, when you're doing a job or something that you just want to do quick, and you don't have to do any math, bring out your calculator or anything like that to find the center of whatever you're doing. So let's get into it. We got a board here. It's 11.5 inches wide. Now this is a pretty easy one. It's going to be 5 3/4 to the center. But if it was something more difficult, like let's say 11 7/8, you might have to get out your calculator or at least take the time to do the math to figure out what was going to be half. So the trick to this is you put your tape measure on this end or whatever end you want, and you go on a diagonal. Now you can go on a diagonal to any round number that you know the half of. So let's go to 12. So we know the half of 12 is going to be 6. So you make a mark here at 6 inches, and then that's going to give you your center of the board, which is 5 3/4. Now you could do anything. You could always go out to, let's say 14, which we know is 7. Half of 14 is 7. Make a mark, and that's 5 3/4. We got the half of the board. So that's a quick and simple tip. Here's another example. This one's a little bit not as round numbers like the last one was. So this one is 7 7/8 overall. So we wanted to find the center of that. It's not as easy as, let's say, 7.5. So let's use the tip here to figure out where half is. So we put our tape measure on the side here, and let's go to 8 inches. Nice easy number. We know half of 8 is 4 inches. So we'll put our mark here, and then we'll measure that, and it comes out to 3 15/16, and we'll double check it, 3 15/16. So there we go. In about 2 seconds we found halfway of the board without doing any math, and it comes out right every single time. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this Trade Tip Tuesday. I hope you got something out of this video. I always think it's a plus whenever you can find the center of something without having to do math. It just makes the job quicker and easier, and it tends to be more accurate as well. So again, I hope you got something out of it. If you liked it, give a thumbs up and a like, please. And hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more Trade Tip Tuesdays, and they'll be coming up. Keep an eye out. Thanks a lot.